Join me as I dive into the challenge of testing this men's luxury smartwatch with a rotating dial and see just how amazing its health features really are. This sleek luxury smartwatch is turning heads with its sophisticated design and cutting-edge health features. The rotating dial is not just stylish, but also incredibly functional, allowing for easy navigation through the watch's various features. For many men, staying on top of their health can be a real challenge. Busy schedules, stress, and a lack of motivation can make it tough to prioritize workouts and healthy habits. Traditional watches often fall short in providing the kind of insights and tracking capabilities that men need to stay on top of their health. We've all been there, feeling sluggish, struggling to keep up with our fitness goals, and wishing we had a better way to track our progress. That's where the smartwatch comes in, offering a range of health features that can help men take control of their well-being. From monitoring heart rate and sleep patterns to tracking workouts and calories burned, this watch has got it all. But what really sets this smartwatch apart is its ability to provide personalized insights and recommendations. With its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, it can help men identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions about their health. Plus, with its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's easy to wear and use on a daily basis. The rotating dial on this smartwatch is a game-changer. Not only does it look great, but it's also super intuitive to use. You can scroll through your notifications, adjust your settings, and even control your music playlists with just a few simple turns. And with its advanced health tracking features, you can monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even detect irregular heart rhythms. This smartwatch also offers a range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected to your phone and access a range of apps and features. Plus, with its built-in GPS, you can track your runs, hikes, and other outdoor activities with precision. One of the most impressive features of this smartwatch is its ability to track stress levels and provide personalized recommendations for relaxation and stress relief. With its built-in stress tracking feature, you can monitor your stress levels throughout the day and take steps to manage them. And with its guided breathing exercises and meditation features, you can take control of your mental well-being. So, what really surprised me about this smartwatch is its ability to detect irregular heart rhythms, also known as atrial fibrillation. This is a serious health condition that can lead to stroke and other complications if left untreated. With this smartwatch, you can get early detection and take action to protect your health. High-end luxury smartwatch for men, rotating dial smartwatch, 1.32-inch AMOLED display, heart rate, blood pressure, SPO2, sleep monitor, stainless steel build, compatible Android and iOS. Operating system Android, iOS. Special feature business elegance crafted with aviation-grade zinc alloy, the full metal body blends precision engineering with sophisticated aesthetics. Exuding luxury and durability, this smartwatch doubles as a stylish accessory, making it the perfect choice for modern gentlemen. Dual always-on display styles choose between classic analog and modern digital AOD watch faces for convenient time viewing at a glance. This dual style feature ensures you stay informed while matching your style, whether in professional or casual settings. High-definition AMOLED screen immerse yourself in vibrant, true-to-life colors and crisp details on the HD AMOLED screen. Energy-efficient design ensures clarity even in bright sunlight, delivering a stunning visual experience for both work and leisure. Luxurious packaging experience opulence from the moment you unbox your smartwatch. The sleek and refined packaging design makes it an ideal premium business gift, reflecting elegance and attention to detail that complements the high-end device inside. Rotatable bezel and encoder knob seamlessly navigate menus, scroll through features, and switch watch faces by rotating the axe-cut bezel or the encoder knob. Combined with a high-performance chip and 0.1-second response speed, it delivers smarter, ultra-smooth operation beyond ordinary touch smartwatches. Battery capacity 300 mAh. Connectivity technology Bluetooth. Wireless communication standard Bluetooth. Battery cell composition lithium-ion. GPS via smartphone. Shape round. Screen size 1.32 inches. Brand SOUYIE. Rotating bezel and encoder knob. SOUYIE H67 smartwatch features a unique rotatable knurled bezel and rotary encoder knob, letting you explore your world with precision and style. Rotate the bezel or encoder knob to seamlessly switch watch faces, navigate menus, and scroll through functions. Combined with a high-performance chip and 0.1-second response, it delivers an intelligent, ultra-smooth operation beyond ordinary touch-only smartwatches. Aerospace-Grade Zinc Alloy case crafted with Aerospace-Grade Zinc Alloy, the SOUYIE H67 men's smartwatch exudes precision, elegance, and sophistication. Weighing 112 grams, it offers a premium tactile experience reminiscent of classic mechanical watches. The full metal body combines luxury with durability, passing rigorous tests including 10,000 friction cycles, 50 centimeters drops, and extreme temperature and humidity, making it a refined accessory for discerning men. Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, and notifications. Stay connected anytime anywhere with TrueSync Bluetooth calling. Built-in microphone and high-fidelity speaker enable clear calls, call log management, and contact synchronization. Receive real-time notifications from SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Messenger, and more, ensuring you never miss important alerts. 1.32 inches HD AMOLED, 466 by 466 resolution. Experience stunning clarity with the SOUYIE MENS smartwatch, featuring a 1.32-inch HD AMOLED screen with cinema-grade 466 by 466 resolution and anti-glare technology for clear outdoor visibility. 2 AOT options, digital and analog, let you check time without waking the screen. Preloaded with 10 watch faces and over 200 customizable options via the Fit Cloud Pro app, including family or pet photos. 24/7 health monitoring. Stay informed about your well-being with the SOUYIE Health smartwatch, equipped with precise sensors to track heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen around the clock. Smart Sleep Manager monitors deep, light, and awake stages, generating sleep quality scores. Access all health summaries easily via the Fit Cloud Pro app for accurate insights anytime. 100+ sports modes. SOUYIE Android smartwatch offering over 100 sports modes including cycling, running, basketball, football, climbing, and more. Track heart rate, distance, speed, and calories in real time to optimize your performance. With IP68 dust and sweat resistance, it handles hand washing and rainy workouts with ease, keeping your watch safe during daily activities. Long-lasting battery life. SOUYIE Round stylish smartwatch features a 300 mAh high-capacity battery and an efficient processor, offering 7 to 10 days of regular use and up to 30 days of standby. With magnetic fast charging, it powers up fully in just 2 hours. Whether for travel, workouts, or daily use, enjoy reliable performance without worrying about battery life. Premium service and wide compatibility. SOUYIE smartwatch for men is compatible with most iOS 9.0 Plus and Android 4.4 Plus devices. In conclusion, this luxury smartwatch is a total powerhouse when it comes to health features and style. With its rotating dial, advanced health tracking capabilities, and personalized insights, it's the perfect accessory for any man looking to elevate his health and style. If you've got any thoughts on this smartwatch or other tech gadgets, I'd love to hear them. Be sure to drop a comment below. And if you're looking for more tech reviews and gadget insights, be sure to check out my other videos.